I'm Matthew Frampton. I'm a Sage Intacct implementation consultant with Vision 33, and today we will review the cash management module and bank reconciliation process within Sage Intacct. Beginning on the cash management overview screen, we can see the three types of accounts that are available for setup: checking accounts, saving accounts, and credit card accounts. All of these accounts can be linked to the payment providers and have transactions automatically imported to Sage Intacct. Below the accounts, we can see some tasks that we can perform, from something as simple as making a deposit or transferring funds to something more complicated, such as beginning our bank reconciliation. Navigating to the checkings accounts, we can see the two accounts that are set up within this environment: the Royal Bank of Canada and the Silicon Valley Bank. If we click on the View button to navigate into the Silicon Valley Bank, we can see some more details such as the ID, the account number, the actual bank name, the routing number and branch ID, etc. Scrolling down, we can see some accounting information such as the GL account that this bank account is linked to, the location dimension that it is linked to, some default journals, and some default accounts. If we click on the check printing screen, we can see some defaults for check printing. If we click on the bank file tab, we can see some defaults information for ACH payments. But most importantly, if we click on the banking cloud tab, we can see here that our bank is connected. And below, we can see some banking transactions that have automatically been imported from your bank into Sage Intacct. It's a very simple and easy process to set up bank accounts within Sage Intacct. Navigating to the bank reconciliation process, we'll click on a bank reconciliation. We will choose the bank account we would like to reconcile. We choose our balance cutoff beginning date and our statement ending date. We enter in the statement ending balance and we click on continue. The system will automatically match plenty of transactions and will then show you any transactions that are unmatched on the Intacct side. And if we click on the bank tab, we can see the bank transactions that have yet to be matched. To manually match these transactions, we can just click on a match button, and then we can filter through and choose the transactions that match this amount. As we click on boxes, we can see the amount rise or lower based on whether the amount is a debit and a credit or a check and a debit. So a very simple, clean bank reconciliation process. Navigating back out, it is also possible to see any prior bank reconciliations. If we navigate to the reconciliation history screen, we can see some things such as a reconciliation report from this previous reconciliation, or we can see an outstanding items report from the previous reconciliation. That pretty much sums it up for the cash management module and bank reconciliation process within Sage Intacct. Thank you from everybody at Vision 33 for listening.